I saw these deer the other day. They sure are cute. And then this morning I saw like a bazillion birds in a big parking lot about 5 o'clock in the morning. And it wasn't a flock, okay? This was like a swarm. Alfred Hitchcock would be spinning in his grave and pooping in his pants. It was kind of neat being there, though. They didn't seem scared of me at all.
Wish I could see better, but there's just like a bazillion birds here in this parking lot.
I was just marveling at how they were standing so still all together like that. Strength in numbers all over everybody's vehicles. Just like snow, going everywhere they can and hanging out. And I would come walking along and they would try to fly away.
Incredible, it's a swarm.
It's such a good thing that they're not angry at us humans. I felt very secure among so many of them.
You feel the wind. There's so many.
Imagine if they were angry at us. We'd be in a little bit of trouble. At least at 5 in the morning in big parking lots like that.
God, there's even more coming at us. Crazy.
Then I found a couple of these spiders outside of my apartment, right at the front door, the threshold. I found 3 of these guys, and this was the first one, and I've seen spiders like this before. It kind of scared me, so I decided that I needed to dispose of it, but first I wanted to get some interesting video. If anybody can tell me what kind of spider this is, I'd appreciate that. I shook the jar a little bit there and he just started playing dead. Then he came back to life. I found 3 of them in total. Looked exactly like that, about the size of a John F. Kennedy $50. And that jar is a standard size jelly jar. The other 2 I just grabbed after this video and I put them in there with this one. And I didn't have time to make any more video. I had to go, so I just closed up the jar and turned off the lights and the camera and left, and I came back and they were all 3 dead. And they stunk. I needed to make sure though that this little thing and his 2 buddies were not going to be biting any humans. And then there's this beautiful scenic overlook on 360 Capital of Texas Highway. If you just look east, you can see Austin's skyline. And on this particular morning, there was a lot of fog. Thanks for watching.